video is about Reclined Half Lotus, which is a good pose that you can do just to get acclimated to doing lotus pose. I have Simba assisting me today. All these awesome yoga animals. We can start by laying down on the mat. You just want to stretch the left leg out first. You always want to start with the right side whenever you do lotus. Since the liver is on the right side of the body and the spleen is on the left side of the body, that is why we always do the right side first. If you are lacking in flexibility, just drop that right leg out to the side. That way we're not putting any strain on the knee. Lift the right leg straight up. And then you can grab it with your left foot, just kidding, your left hand, and turn that right foot up towards the ceiling, holding on to it with your left hand. And then just gently push that right leg down towards the ground. Switch sides. Bend the left leg. Just place the left foot right up against the inner thigh. Lift the whole leg up. And rotate from the hip. Hold of the top of the left foot, turning it up towards the ceiling. See if you can inch the toes over just a little bit. Keeping the right leg out straight. Keep the chest nice and relaxed. This is a pretty passive pose. You want to try to work on releasing into it. Release, sit back up. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a better understanding of how to do this awesome, relaxing hip opener. Check out my other how-to yoga videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You can find me on Instagram as well. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.